People often think that with aging, they need more makeup to enhance their beauty, but it's actually quite the opposite. As you age, your skin loses elasticity. Therefore, you don't want to stick to using the same foundation that you were using 5 or 10 years ago. A thick foundation tends to settle in your fine lines and wrinkles and doesn't move, making your fine lines prominent, which you want to avoid. So instead, you want to opt for a lightweight, water-based foundation that has hydrating ingredients such as hyaluronic acid and moisturizing glycerin, because these types of foundations don't settle in your fine lines and wrinkles, giving your skin a very dewy and healthy finish. So I would recommend the Smashbox Halo Healthy Glow All-in-One Tinted Moisturizer. It's a lightweight foundation-like product that doesn't settle in your fine lines. It also helps to even out your skin tone and provide your skin with all-day hydration because it contains hyaluronic acid, which helps to hydrate the skin. So concealer is similar to foundation, except it has a thicker formula, and it's used to hide dark circles under your eyes to help brighten up your skin. A common mistake people make is using a concealer which has a thicker formula under their eyes where they have wrinkles and fine lines. Using this causes the concealer to crease and cake up under your eyes because of the formulation of the concealer. Because foundation is similar to concealer, you want to use that lightweight foundation that you use on your skin under your eyes to help cover up the discoloration instead of using a concealer, since concealers tend to have a thicker formula and tend to crease under your eyes, making your under eyes look like it has more wrinkles. Doing this will leave your under eyes hydrated and plump. As you can see, this side of my face looks more glowy, more healthier, which is perfect if you have fine lines and wrinkles or texture, compared to this side where it looks like it has more coverage and it looks more mattified. And these two things can make the texture of your skin prominent. So powder is used on your skin to help absorb the oils from the concealer, but the type of powder you use and how you use it can impact the texture of your skin. Baking under the eyes can be beneficial for some people, but it's not beneficial for all skin types. If you have dry skin, then you definitely want to avoid baking under your eyes, because letting that powder sit under your eyes can cause your under eyes to be even drier, causing more texture on your skin. Our under eyes naturally do not have any oil glands, which means the skin on our under eyes tends to be drier than the skin on our face. So it's very important that your under eyes remain hydrated in order for your skin to look youthful. So instead of baking, I would recommend using an under eye powder brush, such as this Real Techniques setting brush, to lightly dust the powder under the eyes without letting it sit on your skin. This will set the concealer flawlessly without making your under eyes dry. Also, some setting powders have some ingredients that can dry out your skin even more. So you want to stick to setting powders that are more hydrating. One that I would recommend is the Saie Airset Radiant Loose Setting Powder. So this is a weightless, translucent loose setting powder that has squalane, and squalane is a hydrating factor that keeps moisture locked into your skin for a plump look. As you can see, this side looks more smoother and it definitely feels like my under eyes are hydrated compared to this side where you can definitely see that it's starting to crease and it feels very dry. Contouring is a technique that is usually used to help define your bone structure and your features, but the way you apply the contour and the type of contour that you're using can also affect how your face looks. For instance, if you already have a structured and slim face, using harsh contours can give your face more definition than it needs, making your face look even slimmer. So instead, you want to go for soft contours. So you want to use a contour that's about 2 to 3 shades darker than your skin, but you want to avoid applying the contour directly onto your skin. Instead, you want to use the applicator, which can be a brush or a sponge, and pick up the product with the applicator and softly blend it onto your skin. This is going to help give you that soft contour to help structure your face without making your bone structure look too harsh. Another thing to pay attention to is the type of contour you're using. If you have texture on your skin, then you want to avoid using shimmer contours, as any type of shimmer on your skin accentuates the texture. So instead, you want to opt for contours in liquid or powder form to help blur out those imperfections, such as a liquid concealer, or you can use a powder foundation that is about 2 to 3 shades darker than your skin. When applying makeup, you always want to make sure that you're enhancing your face at the same time leaving your skin looking healthy. Using too many matte products on your skin can dry it out, giving your skin more texture, which defeats the purpose. So when selecting the formulation of makeup products, you want to give it a balance. For example, if you're going to apply contour, bronzer, and blush, blush, you don't want to use all matte products. You want to use either a liquid blush and a bronzer, then use a matte contour, or you can use a matte blush, then use a liquid bronzer and contour. This will make you use less matte products and will give your skin a healthier and glowy look. Another mistake we tend to make is not using the right technique in applying makeup, which can cause our makeup to separate around our nose area, which is why you need to watch this video, because in this video I show you the perfect techniques to avoid this.
KLJ, welcome to a channel where it's poppin'.